Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you unpair your Bluetooth speaker to your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to unpair it and guys you want to forget it, so guys you can forget. So guys now let's see how to unpair and guys how to forget in our Vivo phone guys. How to unpair Bluetooth speaker. First of all guys open your phone setting to unpair your Bluetooth speaker. Then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your Bluetooth and devices. Tap here. Guys click on Bluetooth setting. So you can see guys we have paired this Bluetooth speaker and guys we want to unpair. So guys you can see the setting option. So guys tap here. So you can see guys the forget option means guys unpair it. So guys we will forget. And guys before forget guys you can see guys the rename option. So you can rename this speaker name and device name guys you can change from here, but I don't want to change, so I forget option means unpair. Then it will unpair and we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like my video.